do you think? We need to be aware of our temptations and fears, the consolations and the lights given to us by God, and the various moments that happen within us. A very good morning to respected fathers, sisters, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we, the students of this house, are going to perform a skit on discernment. Before starting this play, I would like to introduce the main characters of this play. Prisha Sharma is going to play the role of Sage, who is a wise, mysterious figure. Ravi Sharma is going to play the role of Traveler, who is a curious traveler. Navreet is going to play the role of First Villager, who is a cautious, practical local. Samreet is going to play the role of Villager, who is an adventurous, impulsive local. Let's start. There are two roads in a dense forest with two distinct paths, one leading into a dark, ominous thicket and the other into a bright, inviting meadow. Priya, who is standing at the crossroad, looks puzzled. She asks herself,
Which path? Which path?
Which path should I choose? Both the paths are looking quite different. What should I do now? God, please help me.
Priya is seeking for the God's help. Then a sage appears, seemingly out of nowhere.
Do you seek guidance, traveler?
Yes, I'm sure. Choose.
This way leads through trials and challenges but with great reward. This way is easy and pleasant but holds no significant growth.
Third enters from the opposite path. First villager enters from the bright path, whereas the second villager enters from the dark path.
Am unsure which path to choose.
Take this way. It's safe and straightforward. You will find comfort and peace. No, take this way. But you
Will discover. How can I know which path is? What did you find on the way?
a tranquil life free of worries.
And you? Sprint and through overcoming obstacles.
Now, the choice is yours, Priya. Both the paths have value. It's about you, what you seek, and what you are ready to embrace.
I want to grow and learn, so I choose this one.
Trust your journey and discernment that leads you to this choice. Remember, every step teaches, every challenge strengthens.
Priya takes a deep breath and starts down the dark path. Sage and the both villagers are watching her silently.
Discernment is not about choosing the easiest way, but the one that aligns your true purpose. It's the ability to see things for what they really are and not for what you want them to be.
There is something that's better than the latest toy. There is something that never can be destroyed. It's worth more than jewels and gold or anything money can buy. 'Cause every year I just steal
often leads us on journeys we would never go on if it were up to us. Don't be afraid. Take courage, have faith, and trust God. Thank you.